What is hobby? Hobby means one's favorite occupation, but not one's main business. A man does not depend on it for his living, but it is not less important than his main business. It is an interesting way to enjoy our leisure period. What kinds of hobbies people have? There are several types of hobbies people have, such as practice English, roaming here and there, listening to music, watching television, traveling, and so on. If someone else asks to you, what is your favorite hobby? First, you will give lots of example like this. If someone say, what is your hobby? Then you will say, I have lots of hobbies, such as practice English, roaming here and there, listening to music, watching television. Then you will say, what is your favorite hobby? For example, my favorite hobby is listening to music, like that. So now the question is, why do you like this? That's mean why do you like these kinds of hobbies? First, you will give a reason and what is the benefit, and you will say, suppose your favorite hobby is listening to music. Why do you listen music? It has a special reason. First, you will give the reason. Your answer can be like that. When I feel bad, whenever my mood is bad, then I like to listen music. Whenever I listen music, my mood become good. I also feel good. I feel fresh whenever I listen music. So it can be a reason. And if someone say, why do you like travel? And we know that traveling is a great hobby. Whenever we travel, we can learn lots of things about any place. We can get new idea about this place. It helps us to enlarge our knowledge. If your favorite hobby is watching TV, so you can say some advantage of watching TV. Suppose you can say through television I can find some information that helps me to enlarge myself. Most of the time we can learn lots of things about your country, what is going on all over the world, and I can find some idea. So it helps me to know some new things. So it can be a reason, and if you have another reason that you would like to say, you can use. So all the best.